Not being ready for seasonal threats is... Not knowing who to trust for your health is overwhelming. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils, which is why I created the Everyday Essentials Essential Oil Recipe Box. The Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box is the best way to learn how to use essential oils to support your health.
Take that, seasonal threat!
You'll make all these fun recipes and get everything you need with this month's recipe box.
No more last-minute ingredient shopping for me.
Click below to get the box that has over 5,000 5-star reviews. People love us. Defend your home with this Home Defender cleaning spray. See you later, seasonal threat. When seasonal threats hit, use this Breathe Deep roll-on to make breathing easier. Just follow the recipe card, grab your ingredients, and voila, it's made.
I made this Beauty Rest eye pillow all by myself. Yeah, that's right.
Wow.
If you're ready to knock seasonal threats aside and take charge of your health, subscribe to the Simply Earth Recipe Box by clicking below.
I love using their recipes because they're fun to make.
I have learned so much about essential oils.
Getting everything in the box that you're going to need to create.
Across the market, they are one of the more affordable brands.
We're talking about a box that saves you money, makes you confident in your home, and gets delivered right to your door.
Best day ever.
Each recipe box is valued at over $100, and you get a big bonus box for free. You'll learn how to make your own essential oil recipes with the Essential Oil Hero course for free. An essential oil community.
Hey friends!
You get 10% off all add-ons to your recipe box, plus other discounts. There's free shipping, and there's no risk with our Earthtastic Guarantee. Do you like saving money?
Yeah.
Then subscribe to the Simply Earth Recipe Box today.
How do I know that these oils are pure?
Every essential oil that we carry at Simply Earth is backed by a GCMS test. Each bottle has this little number on it, which is its batch number. Just enter this code on our site and you'll get that batch's GCMS test, which is posted right on our website.
Thank goodness.
With this month's box, you'll get our Defender blend, support your immune system. You'll get eucalyptus to help you breathe easy. You'll get bay essential oil to support respiration. And cedarwood essential oil will promote rest. You'll also get recipe cards, labels, lavender buds, cleaning tablet, pillowcase, and this paperboard too, to make it so easy to master essential oils. No synthetic fragrances, fillers, or toxic chemicals ever.
I'm so glad that these essential oils are 100% pure. And with this box, I will be able to actually use my essential oils to make things that I will love. So choose Simply Earth today.
And don't wait, because each recipe box sells out fast!